If you are using Certified Accelerator plugin to speed up your website, so this video is for you, because nowadays you are getting this problem. It is appearing in your live website, and how you can remove it? Simply you have tried things like this. You just customize CSS, but nothing happens, right? So in this video, we are going to resolve this issue. What we have to do, step number one, just come here and select this whole section. You can see here, I have just selected this whole section, and you can see there's a class of Elementor 97. Okay, maybe this is technical, but step by step, you would do it, you would absolutely able to remove it. So when we have select this whole section, we would come here on a style section and put something like this: position absolute. Nothing happens. It is just appearing here. Again, width 100%. Nothing happens. Then Z index 2, and now voila, it has removed, right? So in this way you can do it. What you have to do now, you have to just copy this whole class, okay, Elementor 97, okay, which absolute in your case it would be different. So I would check that if this class is again implemented in other section as well or not, or in another area of website or not. What I have to do, I just selected this Elementor 97 and I would click Ctrl plus F, and this would appear. Okay, I have put this one, and you can see there's a two place it has got implemented. One is which we have already implemented right now at the front of you, which was original one. Okay, another one was original one. So what we have to do now, we are satisfied like there are only two places where we have implemented it. So now we would just remember this class Elementor 97 and also other things we have implemented. So you can see here, I am just the customization tab. What you have to do for it, you would have on your website, then dashboard. Let me show you. And when you would on your live websites backend plugin or backend area, you would have option of appearance, and from there you can go customize, and then this box would appear. You would just place this class here, like, because I have already placed here, I'm just removing the comment. Okay, what now the class will look like this dot Elementor 97, and the things we have put like position absolute, width 100%, Z index 2, and we would give another thing which is important. So in this way, no one can override this thing. Now we would publish it. Okay, and when we would publish it, so don't forget to clear cache. And when you would remove it, you have seen that it has been published. Now you would go on incognito and check your website, and now it has removed. So in this way you can do it for your website. If you like this video, save it, share with only those people who are not connected to this plugins company. Okay, so make any solution of it. So share with this your friend who really need it. And also, if you want to know that how you can generate leads through LinkedIn, click the right video and you would able to watch it. So till then, have a wonderful time and meet you in next video.